In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Snapchat. It's very simple to do, but make sure you watch till the end. So first, let's open up Snapchat. Next, we want to tap on our avatar at the top left. This is going to take us to our profile page. Now what we want to do is click on the top right where we see this little gear icon. And this is going to take us to our settings page. Now what you want to do is go to the username option right here. Next, let's tap into the text field here. And it's going to tell us that our username can only be changed once per year. So if we do change our username here, we can only do this a maximum of once per year. So go ahead and click on where it says continue. And now we're going to get an option to actually enter in a brand new username. So you can go ahead and type in whatever username you want. It's going to tell you whether or not the username is free or taken. If it's free, that means you can change your username to this new username. Once you found a brand new username, go ahead and click on where it says next. And then you should be able to see your brand new username right here on your profile page. And so when people add you on Snapchat, they can add you by this brand new username. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.